Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming your Quest 2 is up to date and that you've picked a VPN that supports sideloading or router-level setup. Once done, create an account and note login details. Next, decide: install on a router to protect the whole network, or sideload an Android VPN onto the headset using a PC and USB-C. Make sure developer mode is enabled if sideloading. This unlocks ADB access you'll need for app installation. Now you implement the chosen route. If using a router, apply the VPN client settings and confirm that the subnet routes through the VPN. This secures every device including Quest 2. If sideloading, connect the headset via USB-C, run ADB install for the VPN APK, and grant necessary permissions. Alternatively, tunnel VR traffic through your PC with virtual desktop. Once installed, connect to a nearby server first to verify speed. Finish by testing inside the headset. Open the browser and check your IP and location to ensure traffic leaves via the VPN. Make sure the VPN app has auto start or your router's WAN reconnects automatically. If performance drops, try a different server or use PC-based tunneling for more CPU power. Lowering streaming resolution can help. If connections fail, clear app data, reboot the headset and router, and re-authenticate the VPN. This usually resolves handshake or routing issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.